Hello, and welcome to the Soap Challenge activity. We're so pleased that you've come along to join us for some interesting and fun science. But first, let me introduce our team to you. This is us, the Safeguarding Health Through Infection Prevention, or SHIP team, from Glasgow Caledonian University. We are a multidisciplinary team of researchers, including nurses, microbiologists, and health psychologists. We are committed to developing clinical practice whilst working in partnership with patients, clinical staff, and service management to safeguard against infection and enhance the quality of patient care. COVID-19 has created lots of challenges for all of us, but a challenge can be taken on, can't it? And we would like to help you with this task. Do you love to learn with fun? Well, we have something that will leave you gobsmacked. These photos magnify some of the microorganisms or bugs, that is, viruses, bacteria, and fungi, out there, such as coronavirus, Escherichia coli, norovirus, Candida auris, and Staphylococcus aureus. We carry many different microorganisms in our bodies and skin, including our hands. Some of these bugs are good bugs. They can be helpful to us. But because we touch many different objects, we also carry the bad bugs on our hands that can make us ill. But we can stop them by just washing our hands. Frequent hand washing with soap and water helps us to protect ourselves and others from infections. But have you ever wondered how it works? Do you know how to wash your hands correctly? We are going to help you answer those questions with some interesting and fun activities. Ready? Let's go! Try this experiment to see how soap works. You will need a small shallow bowl, water, black pepper flakes, and some washing up liquid. Go ahead and pause the video while you go and collect these. First, we will complete the experiment without any soap. So fill the bowl with about 1 inch of water and sprinkle pepper evenly across the surface. The pepper flakes should float on the surface of the water. Now imagine that the pepper flakes are bugs and stick your finger in the dish. Did anything happen? Now try the experiment in the presence of soap. First, dip the tip of your finger into the liquid soap and stick your finger into the center of the dish. What happened this time? So what happened during the experiment? Water molecules like to stick together, making the water surface strong enough to hold up lightweight objects, such as pepper flakes, and making them float. This is called the water surface tension. When you stick your clean finger into the water, the flakes will probably just stick to your finger and nothing else will happen. But when you stick a soapy finger into the water, the soap pushes the flakes away. This is because the soap breaks the water surface tension. As a result, water spreads out on the dish and carries floating pepper flakes away with it. This is exactly what happens to dirt and bugs on your hands when you wash them using soap and water. The soap and water carries the bugs away. You can find a demonstration of this experiment and some further explanation in this video here on YouTube. This experiment shows us what happens to the bugs on our hands when we wash them with and without soap. However, to ensure our hands are clean and that we remove all of these nasty bugs from our hands, we need to lather all surfaces on our hands with the soap, and we need to do it for at least 20 seconds. This is more difficult than it might seem, but don't worry. There's a special technique called the 6-step technique that can help you master this skill. This technique is recommended by the World Health Organization and is used by nurses, doctors, and other healthcare workers around the world to stop infections from spreading in hospitals. But it can be used by anybody, anywhere. So today, we're inviting you to learn how to wash your hands with the WHO's 6-step guide and save lives. Here are the 6 steps. And in the next video, Lucy, Alicia, and Lara will give you a demonstration of each step. The 6-step technique may seem quite complicated at first, but you can use some songs to help you memorize it.
This video helps make the proper hand washing technique more memorable for little hands. So wet those hands and apply some soap. It's time for my big song.
Rub the palms, 1, 2. Rub the knuckles, 1, 2. Rub the insides of your fingers and the back of them too. Rub the thumbs, 1, 2. And the nails, 1, 2. Now time to rinse. Happy clean hands for you.
This song was just an example. You can actually design your own personalised hand washing song that includes the lyrics of your favourite song. Here's how to do it. Type in this address or search online for the Wash Your Lyrics tool. Just enter the name of your favourite song and the singer and it will generate your own personalised hand washing poster. Here's an example of our hand washing song that we generated to the tune of Staying Alive by the Bee Gees. So take your turn now and create your own hand washing song. You can even get more creative with this tool and design your own lyrics if you want by using the custom option. Well folks, that's all for now. We hope you had some fun and now know how to use the 6 steps. Please stay safe and wash your hands. And feel free to get in touch with us through our Twitter, blog, or through the GCU website.